Today's song is The City of New Orleans, and it is about a train route that was on the Illinois Central Line from Chicago to Louisiana to New Orleans, starting in 1947. This song comes from 1970, when the writer of the song, Steve Goodman, was traveling on the train with his wife. And he says basically the story is she fell asleep, he stared out the window and wrote the song in about 45 minutes. And the song very much just reports what he saw there on that train. So for Steve Goodman, wrote the song in 1970. In 1971, he presented it to Arlo Guthrie to consider, and Arlo Guthrie recorded it in 1972, and it was a much bigger hit for him than it ever was for Goodman. And then Willie Nelson recorded it in 1984, and those are the two most famous versions of this song. So when I started playing with this song, the first thing I did was try to figure out what strum pattern do I like to do this to, and this one has one that just seems to really fit it for me. And that strumming pattern is just down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. You're kind of emphasizing the second and the fourth beat. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So on the first pass through that, we're going to go C, G, and then two C's, and see how that starts to sound. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central Monday morning road. I just feel like the strum fits it so perfectly because it has that bum, 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 that gives you that feeling of being on a nighttime train. I did look at doing lots of other strum possibilities, and none of them fit to me. For example, both Ukulele Fool and Ukulele have it doing down, down, up, down, up. So Ukulele Fool calls this the modified up island strum. But to me, that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up has none of that train feel to it. I like Ukulele's version of that a little bit better. He does the down, click. So you use all your fingers on that. And then up, down, up, down, flick, up, flick, up, down, flick, up, flick, up, down, flick, up, flick, up. I like the strum, don't think it fits this song. So some other things you can consider is that Jez Quayle and All For Uke both have a version of this where they are doing the one down followed by three sets of down up. So it's like down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And they say to emphasize that the second beat and the fourth beat, similar to how I'm doing it. I find that it's just not working for me to do a quieter down followed by a stronger down up, quieter down followed by a stronger down up. Just doesn't flow naturally for me. So I did do a lot of different looking at other people's strum patterns because I kind of like, that's what I'm playing with right now a lot. It's just like, what is the right strum pattern for the song? And I returned to my original plan. So that's just that. Let's do 4 of them on just C chord, practicing that. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Let's go ahead and try the whole first line with that. So, C, G, 2 C's, 1 A minor, F, 2 C's. Okay, that's the strumming pattern we're going to be using. So we're going to go ahead and play through the first verse of the song. We're going to start off with 4 measures of C, just to kind of get in the rhythm, and then we'll go from there. So, down, 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 up, down. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central Monday morning road. 15 cars and 16 restless work on the chorus. There's a couple tricky bits in the chorus. So we're going to start off, just the first line is pretty easy. F, G7, C. Good morning, America, how are you? So that's 2 times through the C. After that, we have, say, don't you know me, I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the city of New Orleans. Okay, there's a few things that were complicated there. So the I'm your native son, we do that, and then we switch to the G7, and we start on it, and partway through it, we do the I'm the train they call. Okay. When we get to the city of New Orleans, you can keep the A minor all the way through, or you can lift that up to be an A minor 7 for the second part of that strum pattern. So it'd be down, 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 up, down. And then in that final line of the chorus, it's also a little bit tricky because the B flat and the F are only a half a measure each. Okay, so we're going in with our D7. Down, 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 up, down. B flat is down, down, F, down, down, then return to our strum pattern. G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Go ahead and do that chorus slowly. And the big trick I keep missing is that final line. Remember, we've got the I'll be gone is the B flat, F, I, and then G7. 100 miles when the day is done. Okay, starting from the beginning. Good morning, America, how are you? Say, don't you know I'm your native son? We're going to try playing the whole thing through. And so we're going to start with that 4 measures of C and then go from there. train has got the disappearing railroad. Good night, America, how are you? Hey, don't you know we are the on the train called the city of New Orleans. Gone 500 miles and the day is done. That was City of New Orleans by Steve Goodman.